We are here at Chicken's Alley, Chicken's Resort Alley, and we will try this McNoodle. So wife is ordering na and then try natin. Tara pakita ko sa inyo kung paano nila lutuin to. This place is small pero compact lahat. So it's like an open kitchen. Yan, kita mo lahat yung pagluluto. And then ito nga, kasi para siyang homemade, no? Ayan, lahat. Dumpling, medyo noodles sila. Sobrang solid. Sheesh!
6:30 naman sabi nila.
So 6:30 PM call time namin. So wow. Sheshe.
McNoodle yan.
Bakit